All right, this is a little demonstration of damping, in particular the eddy current damping. If you look, I have uh, two triple beam balances they're both zeroed, and you can see that once I put pressure on both of them, they come back and zero pretty quickly. Now, why do they dampen so quickly? Well, they have in here, they have magnets. If you look inside these slots, you can see these magnets on either side. So the magnets are inducing an eddy current into the vein, and it produces an opposing magnetic field. The current's an opposing magnetic field, and it dampens the oscillation. You can see without the magnets, it keeps oscillating back and forth. So this little piece of plastic here, besides having the zero indicator, it also provides damping for the triple beam balance. And you can see this one, it just keeps going back and forth because it doesn't have the damping. And that's a good demonstration of the eddy current damping, that without the magnets, it just keeps oscillating back and forth. So there's a good demonstration of eddy current damping. I'll just do this one once again, and you'll see that it dampens right away, because this one has the magnets and this one doesn't. It just keeps oscillating back and forth. All right.